How to troubleshoot Lalal.ai upload issues. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, make sure you are logged into your account. If you experience problems uploading files, first check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and fast enough for uploading. Try refreshing the web page or restarting your browser to fix any temporary glitches. Make sure your audio or video file is within the allowed upload size limit, which is usually 200 MB for the free version. Also confirm that your file format is supported by Lalal.ai. Supported formats include MP3, WAV, OCG, FLAC, MP4, AVI, MKV, AIFF, and AAC. If the upload still fails, clear your browser cache and cookies, then try again. You can also try using a different browser or device to see if that resolves the issue. If none of these steps work, contact Lalal.ai support by emailing support@lalal.ai with a detailed description of your problem. And that's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot Lalal.ai upload issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.